I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to blame?